Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Rogue cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove all items. You'll need a new filter and a small screwdriver for this task. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface before you begin. This simple maintenance can improve your air quality and HVAC performance. Next, gently detach the dampener arm located on the right side of the glove box. Then, carefully press inward on both sides of the glove box to release its stops. This allows the glove box to swing down fully, revealing the cabin air filter housing behind it. It's usually a rectangular cover. Now, locate the two retaining clips on the filter housing cover and unclip them. Carefully pull out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Before inserting the new filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on its side. Ensure it points in the correct direction, typically downwards, for proper air circulation. Finally, snap the filter housing cover back into place, ensuring it's secure. Lift the glove box and push in on the sides to re-engage the stops, allowing it to close properly. Don't forget to reattach the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.